I have become interested in writing poems about the relationship between poetry and other creative activities, whether it's music or visual art or whatever. And I dedicate this poem, it's called The Rolling Wave, which is the name of a well-known tune, to Caoimhín O'Rahilly, the wonderful fiddle player. And it's based on a story he told at a concert I attended in Killorglin. And he told a story about how he grew up technically very adept at music, in a musical family, that he could play things perfectly, but that he hadn't really got inside tunes, that he could play them technically very well in different forms, but that he hadn't really gone inside tunes until he was a young man, and he was on holidays with other young people in Glenbeigh, which is just down the road from Killorglin. And I let the poem speak for itself then, because I think it says a lot about the creative process, whether it's music or poetry or whatever. The Rolling Wave, for Caoimhín O'Rahilly. Only when the others had left for the village to drink and sing and dance in the new year, and the empty house had begun to answer the wind in the birches that gave the valley its name and shaped its oldest stories, only then did he take down the fiddle and play. It was the same tune. Again and again, note and pitch perfect, he played the rolling wave as he had always done, predictable as the tides. He tried all the variations he had picked up here, there, and everywhere, stylish ornaments that hung like baubles on the tune. Despair practiced its scales on him. Faintly then, he heard the sea flexing under the wind. Swell after swell broke on the shingled coast. Not the water rolling forward in the wave, but the wave rolling through the unmoving water, pitching its perfect notes to the sky. So he played not the tune itself, but the tune being itself. And the house played with him, its timbers resonating like tightened strings, until he stood, his bow still drawn across the still quivering air, in the new stillness inside his music, unmoving, transformed.